Dude, the puppies are so confused. Oh, look at him! Look at him! He's so cute. There's people and they're gonna like, who the frick is barking at my dog? Like shoot us.
Oh damn, your face! It's huge.
Just look at the puppies. They're so confused.
Well,
they're trying to get inside. Oh. Oh, wait. Oh.
Wait.
Oh.
Hold up. I don't need no porn on my YouTube channel.
Go to commercial. Go to commercial. That one is just like, what the fuck?
Okay, say goodbye to my channel. Say, may the odds be in your favor. I hate having cousins that don't listen. I have Chad doing that enough on my freaking camera.